How to add trusted connections on Roblox. This tutorial shows you how to find and add people you trust directly through the Roblox app on your Android device. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Connections icon at the top of the home screen to open your Connections page. From there, you'll see a list of your existing friends and connections. At this point, tap on Add Friends at the top right corner of the screen to open the Add Friends options. In the next step, you'll see a My QR option on the screen. Tap on it to bring up your personal QR code. Following this, share your QR code or profile link with someone you trust so they can scan it and add you directly. Once done, if you want to find people from your phone contacts, tap on Contacts to see which of your contacts are already on Roblox. From here, scroll through the list and tap Add next to anyone you want to connect with. Finally, send your request and wait for them to accept. Keep in mind that the Contacts feature only works if the person has linked their phone number to their Roblox account. If they haven't done that yet, they won't show up in your contacts list. And that's it. If this Roblox guide helped you add trusted connections, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.